Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 15095 East Joan Beach Drive, the ultimate Lake Ontario dream getaway with 162 feet of prime waterfront. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This charming ranch-style home is ideally situated to capture the beauty of the lake, combining comfort, functionality, and an incredible setting. Welcome your family and friends with this amazing garden sunroom. Great for enjoying a morning cup of coffee and reading a good book. This is one-floor waterfront living at its best, featuring this cathedral ceiling great room, a beautiful stone fireplace, and wood floors, with a wall of windows to take in those panoramic lake views, creating the perfect space to relax or entertain. Open to the cook's kitchen with vaulted ceilings, beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. And open to the spacious dining area, ideal for everyday living and gatherings, all with lake views. The upstairs loft is great for added living space, office, or guest. The first floor features 3 bedrooms, a laundry, and 2 baths, one of which is a Lakeview suite. Step outside to enjoy the expansive outdoor space, complete with a patio with a fire pit and your own private stretch of Lake Ontario shoreline. This prime waterfront has 162 feet with million-dollar, or should I say billion-dollar views to the west, north, and east. Additional features include a detached garage and ample parking. This property offers privacy, space, and a truly exceptional lakeside lifestyle. You could have it all with this Lake Ontario dream getaway. Nearby this property is Hamlin Beach State Park and many marinas, with easy access to Rochester, Buffalo, and even New York City. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 15095 East Joan Beach on beautiful Lake Ontario. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.